We found a car from the 1980s that can beat some of your favorite cars on the road today. As we explore how this underdog can beat a Tesla, we'll be talking about pricing, engine, and the raw power both of these cars possess from two different eras. And my gearheads, that car is none other than… nope, too early. Let's call our nostalgia car Underdog. The first hint is that its manufacturing started in 1986. Stay tuned because we won't make you wait until the end of the video to find out which car it is. Now let's see how these cars stack up against each other. First is top speed. In the speed realm, our 80s sensation ruled the roads. It was a speedster during its day with an amazing top speed of 155 miles per hour. Now, Tesla's ludicrous mode may push the Model S beyond 200 miles per hour, but let's talk about practical speed here. The Underdog speed was enough to leave the competition in the dust, and it can easily rank in the top 20 speedsters made between 1900 to 1992. While on the flip side, Tesla doesn't even come close to the feats of racing. The Underdog also holds the coolness factor while driving with speed. Tesla, well, looks just like my grandpa's car.
Damn!
When it comes to speed triumph, the Underdog holds its ground, so we'll have to give it a point. Another hint, the Underdog has been used in a lot of movies. Second, affordability. The Tesla Model S Plaid was launched on October 11, 2021, and it cost a whopping $135,990. Now, the price has dropped to around $100,000, while our Underdog is literally half this price. When it comes to affordability, a lot of things should be kept in consideration. Being a high-performance luxury vehicle, the Model S Plaid would probably cost more to insure than the Underdog.
Nice.
Due to their electric engines and fewer moving parts, electric automobiles often require less maintenance than gas-powered vehicles. Tesla also has higher upfront costs as compared to our Speedster. With all that being said, it surely gives our Underdog one more point. Stick with us, we're almost there. Hint 3, our Underdog is a street racer. Third, our features. Before comparing features, without wasting time, we'll just give a point to Tesla. Tesla's Model S Plaid is a high-tech revolutionary car with modern technology. It comes with 4 highly adjustable seats, tri-motor engine, and a single-speed automatic acceleration system. Some of the most noteworthy features are the autopilot function, panoramic sunroof, and a 17-inch touchscreen. On the other hand, our Underdog only comes with 2 seats that are not as adjustable as what Tesla has. It does come with a 5-speed manual shifting 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, but one thing that Tesla lacks is the classical retractable headlights. Fourth is design. And the final hint is, this Underdog is a Toyota. Now, if you haven't guessed it yet, our nostalgic car and street king is… the Supra Mark III. Titans of the automotive world, the Tesla Model S and Toyota Supra Mark III come from very different times and places. The Supra Mark III promotes driving dynamics and visual aggression, whereas the Model S prioritizes efficiency and aerodynamics. Tesla's streamlined design maximizes range by reducing drag, while the air channeled by the Supra's sharp angles and vents are used for drifting and engine cooling. Point for Supra. Fifth, we have automation. Let's be honest here. You know there was no artificial intelligence talk in the 1900s.
Okay.
So Supra was more of a manual car than an alien self-driving car. There was a raw connection between the car and the person behind the wheel. Tesla, on the other hand, is famous for its autopilot system and AI. It includes different variances like semi-autonomous driving, lane keeping assist, and a collision avoidance system. If you want to sleep on the highway while going from NYC to LA, this is the car for you. But you also might not want to actually do that.
What?
It has a full self-driving FSD feature. However, the phrase full self-driving may be a little deceptive because the car still needs the driver's supervision since full autonomy hasn't yet been attained.
No! God, please, no!
However, Tesla beats Supra here by a mile. This gives Tesla 1 point up on our table. Sixth is range and refueling. In general, the Supra Mark III with the inline-6 turbocharged engine got about 20 to 25 miles per gallon on average. This might yield a range between 300 to 375 miles on a full tank of fuel, with a normal fuel tank capacity of about 15 gallons. The range on the Tesla Model S at full charge varies depending on the model year and configuration. With a full charge, the long-range variant may cover more than 370 miles, although the higher-performing Plaid variant may have a little shorter range because of its increased power output. Not a big difference, but the main thing that comes into play is refueling. Tesla, especially on long trips, has long range, but there's a thing called range anxiety, and that's worrying about running out of juice. For Supra, the visit to a gas station is all it takes. Simple, straightforward, and the gas stations are abundant. On the other side, Tesla chargers are not that common. Even though they are abundant, there's still not much to keep the range anxiety away when visiting the countryside. The Tesla owner may have to wait longer than a Supra driver to recharge, even with the fastest charging options available. In conclusion, the Supra Mark III excels in both range and ease of refilling, particularly for those who value a simple, hassle-free refueling experience, making our point table 4-2 in favor of the Supra. Let's be completely unbiased here. Both belong to two different generations. But the Supra Mark III was well known and a great competitor during its time. It was the time of Japanese drifting, street racing, and making donuts. And Supra was popular worldwide.
Yeah, boy.
Now we live in modern times with more advanced cars. It's more about speed now and designs, and Tesla doesn't come close to both. It's surely a unique and great car for modern tech and autopilot, but with just 24 years in the 21st century, it's not likely to be one of the greatest cars like the Supra used to be. In fact, some people still don't know what Tesla is, but when you say Supra, you'll see a big smile on their face, and that says it all. So, after the last round, Supra takes the upper hand. There's still a lot to argue about, but we have to keep the time difference in consideration while comparing both of these masterpieces. The Supra Mark III emerges triumphant from this head-to-head, demonstrating that sometimes traditional appeal and performance measurements take preference over cutting-edge innovation. The Supra Mark III is the clear winner thanks to its history of top speed, price appeal, iconic power comeback, and domination in performance measurements. It's a technological and historical victory more than just an automobile. Post your ideas in the comments section below about what cars you'd like us to compare next. In the meantime, don't miss this next video about a supercar that's hydrogen-powered.